Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a really quick, easy, sunny makeup look. So the first thing we're going to need is a liquid foundation. You're also going to need a liquid blush. So let's make a start. We're going to shake it up. And what you want to do is put about 1 pump of foundation into the palm of your hand. And then you're going to mix 1 or 2 drops of a liquid blush directly into that mixture, and then with your finger mix the entire thing together. Your foundation will take on a much rosier tone, but it will not make it red. But what it will do is aid in the rest of the application, which is to make your skin a lot rosier in tone for the blusher that will follow. Next, take your foundation brush and whatever's in your hand, because waste not, want not, work that in, and then we're just going to blend this all over the skin. Now the reason for adding the liquid blush here is it does alter the tone of the foundation ever so slightly, and this will mean that when we go in with our liquid blusher in a moment, you'll have a much more balanced tone on tone effect. And this is really for those that dislike bronzer but want a very kind of rosy glow in summer. So foundation is applied. Now we're going to take 1 drop of a liquid blush into the palm, and with our fingers we're just going to spread it around, and we're going to dot it now on the high planes of the face, so the very highest portions. And with that same brush, work it in. And now we're just going to stipple this into those high points. And this is where that tone on tone comes in. Sweep across the forehead and blend into the hairline. Now, I know this doesn't automatically scream that there's been a lot of alternative, that there's been a lot of difference by adding that blusher in. But what it does do in photographs is you will notice a more harmonious tone to the skin. I'm now just going to take down the excess shine in the center of the face, and that will complete the look. And that's it. Now trust me, when you take photographs, your skin will take on a really pretty rosy hue depending on the amount of product that you added to the foundation. Remember, you're not trying to make the foundation pink or red, you're just trying to change the tone so that when you do the final blush and you take a picture, you get this really pretty rosy glow that comes through. Just give it a go, try it, you'll see what I mean. Thanks for watching, I'll see you all soon, bye bye.